Tired of spending an hour on your hair every morning? The ultimate luxury in 2026 is a haircut that does all the work for you. Short, low maintenance hairstyle is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle hack. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today we are looking at 5 minutes of pure simplicity, from super short pixie to the modern air dry bob. Let's find the easy cut that first you like. The key to low maintenance is working with your natural hair texture, not against it. If you have fine, straight hair, a blunt cut bob or a sleek pixie is ideal. It adds instant thickness. But if you have wavy, curly or coolie hair, look for cuts with internal layers. This allows your natural texture to fall into place effortlessly. The less you have to fight your hair, the less maintenance you have to do. What does low maintenance really mean? It means styling your hair in under 5 minutes. In 2026, we are all about the air dry method. Use a lightweight mousse on curly hair or a texturizing paste on straight hair, and then nothing. Let it air dry. The cut should have enough structure to look international without a blow dryer. That's the dream. Finally, don't forget the maintenance of the cut itself. Short hair does require your regular trips to the salon. More regular trips to the salon to keep its shape, but the daily simplicity is worth it. Which of these cuts is your vibe? The super short buzz or effortlessly bob? Let me know in the comments. If you love this touch of easy style, please hit the like button and subscribe for more 2026 hair trends. Stay cool, stay simple, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.